Hey, how's it going? I have some great news. I'm pretty excited anyway. Young Living just released a brand new starter kit. So I am going to show you a little bit about the starter kit and why I love it. That's a diffuser. A diffuser will change your life. Why? Your house is going to smell better than it ever was smelling. You're going to stop using candles, Glade plugins, and all the synthetic fragrances that are actually weakening your immune system, triggering your respiratory system, and making you kind of feel like crap, and you don't even know it yet. It's not until you get this diffuser and your oils that you're really going to start noticing what the essential oils can do for you and your family and your life. So let me tell you a little bit about what I'm talking about. So my name is Amber. I've been with Young Living for a while. I have purchased more starter kits than I'm going to admit on a video. They're a great deal. You know why? Because this diffuser, to just purchase it by itself, is almost $70. But you can get this whole entire kit of oils with the diffuser for $160. And when you're talking about your health and your wellness, that, my friend, is a deal. So let me show you what is in this box and how you get started. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit here. So when you lift this up, you're going to find some information. You take the sleeve off, and then you have this awesome box. It's really pretty. There's a little tab here, which means lift me up. And when you lift it up, you are going to find a whole lot of stuff. So up here in the top, you're going to have all kinds of papers, getting started, welcoming you, just more information about Young Living. So that's in this little folder up here on the lid of the box. Now you can see these oils, right? This is where things start getting good. Right here on top, you are going to have this display of essential oils, and when you flip it over, you're going to find out that there's actually a pop-out. So you can fold this, pop it out, and now you can set your oils right on your counter or wherever you're going to have them visible. Now, there's some other stuff in this box, but when you get your kit, you're also going to get a newsletter. A lot of it will talk about our farms, different things. Did you know Young Living actually owns its own farms that you can visit as a member? I've gone 3 different times and got to help plant the fields, see the distillation. It's an amazing, amazing thing. So maybe I'll do a different video on that. You're also going to get an Essential Oils magazine. So this one is a spring. So you're going to be learning about all kinds of spring stuff, which is perfect for this time of the year. So there's some information on kids, looks like linen sprays, some yoga. These are really great resources, so definitely worth checking out. And then you're going to get one of the beautiful product guides. Did you know Young Living isn't just essential oils? We are an entire health and wellness company. We actually have an animal care line. We have Ningxia Red, which is an amazing supplement that you're going to get a couple samples of. We have workout supplements, personal care, beauty products. We have the most amazing mineral makeup ever, and I actually have a video, so you can look at my YouTube channel, The Hectic Homemaker, to learn about our makeup kit. We have cleaning products. I mean, you guys, we have everything you could possibly need, which makes life really easy when you don't have to read labels and find out if what you're purchasing for you and your family is actually good or bad for you. So we took the oils out, but guess what? There's another tab, which means lift me up. So we're going to lift that up as well. And in here, you're going to find a sample of our Thieves Household Cleaner, which is amazing. This will replace every cleaner you're using. All that money you're throwing down the drain, literally, to clean your house with toxic chemicals, you can get rid of them all. Start using a plant-based cleaner. That is amazing. I will do a whole different video on this because I could talk about Thieves and the Thieves Cleaner for days. You're also going to get 2 packets of the Ningxia Red. This is such a yummy juice. It has the wolfberry, plum, blueberry, all your antioxidants. This stuff's great for ridding your body of free radicals, healthy cell restoration, all the stuff. Then you're going to find a little bonus bottle of oil and a roller fitment top. Some sample bottles. These are great to throw in your purse if you want to keep lavender on you or share with a friend. So we're going to put this aside and go back to our oils. So what do we have here in this kit? We have everything. So in your kitchen you have your basics: olive oil, butter, salt, pepper, all the things that you need every day for cooking. Well, that's how this kit is set up. It's to support your everyday goals with your health and wellness. So I'm going to very briefly go over all of these oils. Lemon. Lemon is amazing. It helps flush out your system, so it's great to put in your water. You're going to notice all of these have a white label and all of these are going to have a solid colored label. All that means is these are FDA acceptable for supplement use. They're all GRAS. So what that means is you can use them as a supplement. So you can take them internally. And these are recommended for topical and aromatic use. So we can talk more about that later, or if you have questions on the difference or what that means, definitely just ask me a question and I'll explain it to you. Lemon, water, cleanse out your liver, cleanse out your body, get rid of the ick. It's amazing for that. Your kid sticks gum in their hair, use lemon oil and it slides right out. I know from experience. Copaiba, who knows about CBD oil? Well, CBD oil is amazing anti-inflammatory. The reason that's so is because it has 16% beta-caryophyllines in it. Copaiba has 55% beta-caryophyllines, so you can do the math on that one. Digize, all things digestive system. Sometimes I can't talk. This you can put in your water, you can put in a capsule. I've made Digize chocolates, so you can make like after dinner mints to help your tummy, all the things for your digestive system. Thieves, immune. Thieves is your immune system. Diffusing Thieves cleanses your air. You breathe it in and you're helping support your immune system. You can make Thieves tea, which is so yummy. Peppermint. Digestion. When you think of anything with your digestive system, peppermint. So mixing peppermint and Digize is a great way to keep your tummy happy. Panaway is your bone muscles. Who does not need muscle support? I know I do, because I live somewhere where I have to rake and shovel and vacuum and all the things. Panaway saves my back from all the things. Epsom salt Panaway baths will save your life. You don't even know yet. You're going to thank me. Raven. Raven is your respiratory oil. Oh, breathing it in just helps awaken your senses, gets you to breathe in the nice deep breaths. Raven mixed with Thieves in a diffuser smells so good and is going to support your immune and respiratory system. Citrus Fresh. It is all the citrus oils combined with spearmint, so it has a really refreshing, bright, invigorating smell. It's great in your diffuser. It's great with Thieves for in the air. It's great in your water. Citrus Fresh, you're going to love it. I keep saying that, but I'm not kidding. You are going to love it. A lot of these oils I still, 3.5 years later, order almost every month, especially lemon, lavender, Thieves. Still every month. You're also going to get frankincense. So if you don't know about frankincense, you might want to start doing some research because it's the most amazing oil ever. And it's great for your skin. So there's so much information on frankincense that it just blows my mind, and that's why I stumbled talking about it. Lavender. Lavender is a Swiss Army knife of oils. You may think you know what lavender smells like, but you don't know what Young Living lavender smells like. So why don't you give it a shot? Because let me tell you what, lavender is freaking amazing. Lavender is the Swiss Army knife of oils. It has hundreds of known uses and will support your body in ways you never thought possible. Sleep, calming, all the things to relax. Lavender. And then as a bonus, you get this little bottle of Stress Away. Stress Away is the bee's knees. I'm a mom, and I use this as my perfume. I inhale it all the time. I just put it right on my wrists, breathe it in. You can also take your little roller fitment cap and use it on your Stress Away. Let me find a bottle, and I'll show you how to do that. This is just a regular bottle that I used. You just use your cap to pop this top on and off. So there, I took it off. Now to put it on, I'm just going to set it on there and use the cap to twist it right back on. So you can actually do that with your stress away and just make a perfume roller. Roll it on the back of your neck, your wrists, and just breathe it in. So as a member of Young Living, you're going to receive 24% off all of your products. You can join our Essential Rewards program, which I'll do a separate video about. All in all, you're going to be so happy you made this choice that I guarantee it. Talk to me. I'll help you. You're part of my team, our community. All we want to do is help you learn more how to use your oils. We're here to support you, which not many health food stores can say. So I hope you found this informational. If you're ready to get your kit, I'm going to post the link in the comments. So I hope you had a great day, learned something new. Hit me up with any questions you have. Thanks for watching.